Before I start this review of Curve, please can I just ask, if you find this video useful in any way, then do hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us help more people in the UK with their finances. So Curve, well, this video is going to be a review of that particular card, and Curve was founded in the UK in 2015 and by 2018 had expanded into Europe, quickly amassing around 250,000 customers, and it subsequently attracted investment from the likes of Investec and Oxford Capital, and now boasts over 2 million customers. Now, Curve is a debit card and app that combines all of your other cards into one, and you simply add your cards to the app in the same way that you would add cards to an Apple or Google wallet, and the app provides spending insights and analysis across all of your cards. Additional features include instant spending notifications, a freeze feature that allows you to instantly freeze all of your cards in a single swipe, and a go back in time feature that allows you to pay via a different card up to 30 days after the initial payment was taken. Perhaps one of Curve's biggest draws is its cashback feature that allows customers to earn 1% cashback at a number of retailers. However, this does come with a significant catch. The 1% cashback offer is only available to those who sign up to either the Black or Metal plan, and both of those plans are paid for plans. The Curve Black plan costs £9.99 a month, and customers can earn 1% cashback at up to 3 retailers, and the Metal plan costs £14.99 a month, and customers can earn 1% cashback at up to 6 retailers. Curve Black and Curve Metal customers receive additional perks such as higher spending limits and a number of insurance products, and we provide a detailed comparison of each of the plans in our independent review on the Money to the Masses website. You just need to click on the on-screen link above or in the description below this video for more details. Of course, customers can choose the Curve Free plan, which includes all of the key features, including the spending analysis and the go back in time feature. And while Curve Free customers won't be able to access the 1% cashback reward, new customers can earn a £5 Curve cash reward by making 5 payments of £5 or more in their first 10 days. In order to use Curve, you'll need to download the app via iTunes or Google Play, and within the app, that's where you can order your new card. Once you've downloaded the app, you are asked to enter your email address, where you have the option to send a magic link or use a password. If you select use magic link, then you can open a link via an email that you'll receive, which will automatically take you into the app and you'll be logged in. You can then add any Visa or MasterCard by scanning your bank card, or alternatively, you can enter the details manually. Once you start spending, Curve has a feature that allows you to get instant notifications as well as a categorized breakdown of your spending across all of your cards that are loaded onto your Curve app. Curve allows you to spend on your Visa or MasterCards while you're abroad and doesn't charge any additional fees for doing so. You'll get instant notifications in both the local currency and your usual currency when you are spending on holiday, and it enables you to track any spending that you do while abroad. Curve also uses the interbank exchange rate, so when you do spend, you avoid the unnecessary fees that banks usually charge. You can use your Curve to withdraw cash at ATMs that accept a MasterCard, however, limits do apply. Now, with the free plan, you can spend up to £500 fee-free every rolling 30 days, and a 2% fee is applied. You can also take out £200 from ATMs abroad per rolling 30 days, and then a 2% fee or a £2 fee, whichever is higher. Now, the Metal and Black plans have more generous limits. You can find out more information about those limits via the independent review on the Money to the Masses website. Curve also offers something called Curve Flex, which allows customers to free up money by splitting payments made in the previous year into new monthly installments. It's effectively another way of accessing credit, similar to a buy now, pay later loan. Customers can request a refund for a transaction made in the last 12 months, which they can then spread the cost over a period of 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. The first payment on the instalment plan will be due 30 days after the refund has been received. All Curve cardholders can use Curve Flex, but it is subject to credit and affordability checks. Now, these checks will not affect your credit score, but setting up an instalment plan will result in a hard credit search, which could ultimately impact your credit score. Curve is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, and it doesn't share your bank details with any retailers during transactions. Additionally, you can lock your card within the app should it be lost or stolen, offering extra security. It is also important to note, however, that you may be giving up some of your rights under the Consumer Credit Act if you pay with your Curve card. Credit card purchases are covered by the Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act, giving you added protection, allowing you to make a claim and get your money back. However, paying with Curve means that you are paying via a third party and therefore giving up those rights. So if you have any concerns over a purchase, particularly higher value purchases, it may be worth purchasing directly with a credit card. Curve does, however, stress that consumers are protected by MasterCard's chargeback rights, where refunds may be provided if goods are damaged, not as described, or the merchant has ceased trading. So the pros and cons of Curve, well, the pros include an easy to use app that allows you to carry all your cards in one place. The basic card is free. It means that you can use your existing cards in places where they aren't usually accepted, as Curve payments are made using a MasterCard debit transaction, and no hidden fees are applied when you spend abroad. Now, the cons: you will need Wi-Fi or data access to change the card over within the app, as it's all managed via that particular app. The 1% cashback is only available for black and metal plans, which are paid for plans, and you don't get protection under Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act when you use your Curve card. So, in summary, if you want to get a better understanding of where you are spending your money and you like the idea of limiting the number of cards that you carry around, then Curve could be for you. The no hidden fees overseas spending feature is especially handy, as it is easy to get caught out when traveling and the fees can easily mount up. The feature that allows you to lock the card is useful, as it ensures all of your cards are safe and eliminates the need to call each provider straight away, which is especially handy if you are abroad. Being able to easily flip between multiple cards is clearly Curve's main selling point, and so it may provide little appeal to those that already use Apple Pay or Google Pay. Curve Black and Curve Metal may be an appealing option for some, especially those that can benefit from the cashback and insurance products on offer. However, with monthly fees of £9.99 and £14.99 respectively, always make sure that the benefits outweigh the costs. As ever, if you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful in any way, then please do click on that like button. You can find the full review with all the comparisons and breakdowns on the Money to the Masses website, which you can access via the notes below this particular video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.